This is Anna. Anna is a control room operator. She wants to understand what's the status of vehicle T03. In the TOS, she sees that the vehicle is unavailable. In the terminal tracker dashboard, she sees it's in maintenance and will be available in the following days. Increased visibility to plan your operation. Increased synergy between operations and maintenance. This is Anna. Anna is a control room operator. Anna needs to do a report for her boss about the performance of the last shift. In the Terminal Tracker Comprehensive Report, Anna can find all the productivity information of the vehicles in this shift. She can even break down by operator. Increased visibility of your fleet. Know your operations productivity and behavior. This is Anna. She wants to plan the maintenance of the fleet. She opens Terminal Tracker and checks the engine hours, fuel level, tire pressure, and the vehicle's alarm reports. Now she has all the needed information to plan the fleet's maintenance. Monitor your fleet status. Understand your consumption to work more efficiently. This is Tom. Tom is a truck driver, moving containers at the container terminal. While Tom is driving, his tire pressure is constantly monitored. Once the value exceeds a certain threshold, a warning is shown to Tom. Improved operational efficiency and safety aspects by monitoring tires. Visibility for your preventive maintenance. That's Terminal Tracker by Identic Solutions.